Hello, all of you. In our previous videos, we have seen that how to take input from user and how to store data inside variables. But tell me one thing, only taking values from user is enough? The answer is no, right? Because if whether we are having some data, we need to perform some kind of operations for using those data. That is why we are here in today's video with the concept of operators. So in today's video, we are going to clear the concept that what is exactly mean by operators and the first type of operator, that is arithmetic operator. So let's start with the definition of operator. So operator is nothing but a symbol that helps you to perform certain kind of operation using one or more values. Look at this line. Let me just zoom in. Okay, so now you will be able to look at here. So look at this 12 number line, integer add is equal to a plus b. Here, what I am doing, I have taken just two numbers 10 and 5 inside these two variables called a and b. So here A and B are called as operands. Why? Because operands are nothing but the variables who are storing some data. Okay, and plus is the symbol that is called as operator. Okay, so an operator is the symbol which performs operations on this data. Clear? Now we will move forward with our arithmetic operators definition. So arithmetic operators, as the name itself suggests, that these operators are used in our day-to-day life calculations, mathematical calculations, and arithmetic operators has these five different kinds of operations. Like whenever we want to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or modulus, we can go with arithmetic operators. Now let's see it one by one. So when we want to perform addition, we need to use plus operator. Whenever we want to use subtraction, then we can use minus operator. Whenever we want to perform multiplication, then in that case, we need to use this star symbol. When we want to perform division, we can simply use this backslash operator, which is used for division, and percentage sign is used for modulus. Clear? Now we will just simply run this program. Before running, I'm just compiling it and then we'll run this program. So here you can see that A and B's value are 10 and 5 respectively. After addition, it will become 15. After subtraction, the value will be 5. For multiplication, the value will be 50. For division, the value will be 2 because 10 divided by 5 will be 2. And for modulus, the value will be 0. Clear? Now you might be wondering that why is this so? What is the difference between division and modulus? So the difference is very much easy. Like in division, whenever we want to find quotient, then we can go with division. And whenever we want to find remainder from two values, then we go with the modulus. So here 10 is completely divided by 5. That is why the remainder is 0 in modulus. But in division, what we are only dealing with quotient because 10 divided by 5 will be 2 because 5 2s are 10. So that is why this is the major difference that quotient is related with division and modulus is to find remainder. Okay, clear? And here is our today's challenge that I am giving you two different values, 20 and 3 values. You have to take these two values from user and store those values inside these two variables called A and B. And then you need to perform these five different arithmetic operations and tell me the output in the comment section. But remember one thing that you can't take hard-coded value just like this way. You need to take values from the user strictly. And the second thing is that you don't just need to guess the output. You have to write the code for that and then compile it and then run it and then only you can send me the answer in the comment section. Clear? So I hope this video is useful for your understanding of operators and arithmetic operators. In our next video, we will simply see the difference between this operator called as assignment operator. Let me just write here. We mostly write this way, like a plus is equal to 5. And we can also write this in the way a is equal to a plus 5. So what exactly the difference between these two lines that we are going to see in our next videos of assignment operator. If you have understood this concept in today's video, then please like this video and share it with your friends so that they can also clear their fundamentals. And again, subscribe to CodePaath. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep growing and keep coding. Thank you, all of you.